So, can you really drink nacho cheese and get high? Well, guess what? Doritos recently partnered with Empirical and launched first ever nacho cheese spirit. I mean, for real. This is, of course, a limited release, and Frito-Lay claims it actually tastes like the real thing. Definitely a bold move by Doritos, a major national brand. And let's see if any private brands would dare to compete with that. It's risky for sure because it falls in that love it or hate it type of a bucket. But hey, can you get high on nacho cheese? I'll let you be the judge of that one.